everybody, it's MGTOW Academy, and I'd like to introduce you all to MGTOW News. If you follow me on Twitter at MGTOW Academy, you know that I've been announcing this for a few days now. Also, you can follow this series separately on Twitter. Just search for the Twitter handle at MGTOW News. Anyways, MGTOW News is what I call a spin-off of my Red Pill series. In my Red Pill series, I would cover recent events and articles in the form of a video. And the concept of that is cool, and it works well with explaining stuff. My commentary alongside with that, it made, getting the message across, it made that easier. But I felt as if the editing style and all that didn't work well with my personal schedule. Plus the name and the thumbnail, it didn't seem that interesting to viewers. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be putting out a series of videos each week called MGTOW News. Every Sunday, I'll post a video that recaps the past week's events in the form of a video. This way, I can write scripts, record, and edit small bits of the video throughout the week, and I'll have a finished product by Saturday evening. By Sunday, you guys will receive a well-put-together video that will cover a variety of topics such as men's health, men's rights, legal issues pertaining to men, and anything that men should be worried about. That's what the name is all about. The quick stop for men going their own way to receive some red pills and to recap the past week's events. I'll also have a featured viewer each week to boost engagement in the comment section. You guys can always add suggestions for improvements as the weeks go by, and I'll do my best to deliver a well put together video for you guys, alright? Like I mentioned earlier, MGTOW News will be on Twitter. The Twitter handle is at MGTOW News. You can follow MGTOW News on Twitter to receive updates of events going on throughout the world. You can also send me a direct message on there as well. So yeah, guys, that's it for now. I hope you guys are looking forward to this new series because I certainly am. Remember to keep taking those daily doses of red pills and to stay safe. This is MGTOW Academy signing off.
MGTOW is an acronym for men going their own way. We spread the message that marriage and cohabitation with women is no longer safe for men. It's a one-sided contract where the man stands to lose everything. His children, his home, his self-respect, and everything that he's worked for is taken by the woman and also given to her by default with the assistance of the corrupt family justice system and divorce court.